Part 2, NS Ghost Stories. After my tough BMT, I was posted to an even tougher unit. Only 12 of us were selected out of 2 companies, about 200 over men. We were all excited to get to this new place even though we did not know what to expect there, but we knew we were in for a big time. All other guys were heading for their new places in trucks, but the 12 of us were given an air-conditioned van ride. We felt special, and that was only the cover. Since my new camp was a military-sensitive area, so it was totally out of the way out. The outermost gate to the main gate was about a kilometer away, and we needed to take a van or a jeep in order to move to and fro. As we went in, we could feel a depressing feeling coming over us, and certainly we did not like that feeling. We were soon in our division unit, and it was not a homely place at all. We were shown our barack, which we would be using for the first 2 months of our training period. As we were specially chosen, we were kept apart from the rest of the other trainees. Our bunk was the third last with the 2 last bunks unoccupied. We were wondering why this was so. The last bunk was even locked and an X was painted across the door. We did not know anything until much later. We were given the afternoon to rest, and that was what we did. As I took a nap, I had a dream. I dreamt about the bunk next to ours. In my dream I could sense that something was there and it was not human. When I woke up, I was quite disturbed but kept the dream to myself. I am quite alert to this kind of thing. Soon we were getting into our training and all. Everything was getting on fine, but some of the guys who were sleeping on the other half of the bunk kept finding it hard to fall asleep in the night. All was fine in the half that I was sleeping. In fact, me and the 5 other guys in this half sleep like babies. It was the other 6 who were going through this thing. I even spent 2 days alone in the bunk once as I was confined to the bunk as I injured myself during training. I did not experience anything at all. Then one day we were talking and things started to come out. The 6 guys who sleep in the right half spoke of their difficulties in falling asleep in the night. Each one of them had the same problem, but only then did they all find out that they all had the same problem. Some of them felt that someone was watching them as they slept. That's when I mentioned to them about the dream that I had the very first afternoon of our arrival. Nothing could be greater than what happened next.